Cool, let's go. That's the only way I'm gonna know you need help, so. Oh my god, not my. So my nail just broke. Okay, let me know, innit? Just let me know. Got this. Hey mathematicians, happy new year! I hope everyone had a good winter break and feeling ready for the year ahead. So if you've got A-levels this year, get yourself ready. If you've got GCSEs this year, get yourself ready. If you've got SATs this year, get yourself ready. If you're doing anything this year, get yourself ready. Thinking of your goals, has anyone made any New Year's resolutions this year? If you have, let me know. I actually have. I don't usually make them, so you know. But it's to release a new maths video every single Monday this year. So hit that bell. Yeah, you know what to do. You guys gotta hold me to it now. Yeah. This don't matter if it's summer holidays, it could be half term. I will release a maths video every single Monday of this year. God willing. But yeah, we got this. Anywho, the first thing we're going to learn is expanding linear algebra brackets. So nothing too difficult. All you need to know is how to multiply. It could be in your head. It could be with a calculator. It could be column method. It doesn't really matter as long as you get it down. So with that all out the way, let's get into the video. Expanding brackets. What does it mean, firstly? It means to open or take out of the bracket, literally. What does that look like? I'm going to show you. This is an example of how a linear brackets question would start off. But first things first, let's look at some multiplication rules for those that are multiplying without a calculator. If you are using a calculator, you can skip ahead in the video to the expansion section, which is timestamped in the description below. Multiplication rules. Multiplication rules. Right, you heard me spelling it out, yeah? I do maths, not English. If I ever make a spelling mistake on this channel, just tell me, innit? Because you can't be good at everything in this world, you know? You can try, but, you know, you got to accept when you're not the best at something, you know? Right, cool. Anyways, multiplication rules. These are the rules that you should follow. So quickly, if you've got a positive number times by a positive number, you're going to get a positive number. If you've got a positive number times a negative number, you're going to have a negative number. Your answer is going to be negative. If you've got a negative number times a positive number, which is the same thing as just up here, it's just in reverse. So it's going to be negative. And if you've got two negative numbers multiplying by each other, then you're going to get a positive number. Yeah, so your answers will be positive. Okay, so here's an example of how a linear expanding bracket question would look like. So you have a number in front, then you would have something x and another term. There's always more than one method to answer a question, so you can annotate it in different ways. So you may see this, and it essentially means that this number 3, has to times by 5x, and it has to times by minus 7. So the way I would lay this out is 3 brackets 5x, and then we got 3 brackets minus 7. Yeah? And then we just literally do these calculations. So 3 times 5x is 15x. And 3 times minus 7 is minus 21. Yeah? So now we've done our calculations. We've times the 3 by the 5x and we times the 3 by the minus 7. So now that we've done this, this is literally our answer. So the answer is 15x minus 21. Yeah? So it's saying 3 brackets 5x minus 7 can be written as 15x minus 21, which is the same thing, yeah? But you've expanded it. You've opened up these brackets. That's what expanding means, taking out of the bracket, yeah? Okay, before I give you some questions to practice, I just thought I should show you another example. This is with no numbers in the brackets, they're just letters. It is still linear because the highest power involved in these things is 1. As soon as we hit 2, it's quadratics for the powers. So yeah, so this means that 32 is being times twice. Yeah, 32 is being times by A. And 32 is being times by positive B. 32 times A is 32A. 32 times positive B is 32B. But it's positive, and we'll write that there because we need to write an equation. So this is equal to 32A plus 32B. Yeah, and this is the answer. So it doesn't really matter. It doesn't need an X, doesn't need a Y. It doesn't even need to have numbers in there. If there was a number in front, we'll times it out just like how we did before. So yeah. Here's some examples for you to try. Feel free to pause the video and then play it when you want the answers. Alright, so welcome back. Let's get straight into this. So I'm going to circle these in colours so that we know what we're timesing. We have in our bracket 17. And what's going to be inside the bracket is 3x and 10. 17 times 3x is 51x. And 17 times 10 is 170. So the answer to this question here is going to be 51x plus 170. There's no minuses in this question, so everything's positive. Okay, let's look at the next one. Let's circle these. Okay, so we've got minus 4 brackets, minus 4, because minus 4 is times in both. And we've got minus 8x, and we've got plus 3. Minus 4 times minus 8x is 32x. And then minus 4 times positive 3 is minus 12. So our answer here is 32x minus 12. Alright, so let's look at the last one. Got 15 times by minus 2 and plus 5. So let's write this down. So we've got 15, our 2 brackets, minus 2, 15 times minus 2x, and you got 15 times positive 5. So let's write this in. So 15 times minus 2 is minus 30x, and then you got 15 times 5, which is 75. Positive, and then we'll just write in our answer, which is minus 30x plus 75. And there we go. So that was expanding linear brackets. If you found anything in this video useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!